These images record the last remaining sighting of 11-year-old Macy Deacon on the morning of October 23rd, 1975. They were taken by her older sister, Isabel, who was an amateur photographer. She claimed Macy had been talking to an unseen person that afternoon. When Isabel went outside to investigate, Macy began to struggle, as if someone was holding her against her will. Amused by Macy's playful antics, Isabel photographed her sister acting, before being knocked unconscious by what she described as a blunt gust of wind. Isabel was found up against a tree, cradling the very same skull depicted in the photographs. Later, dental record analysis confirmed that the skull belonged to Macy Deacon, despite these photographs proving that to not be possible. The cloaked figure has never been identified. The legend of Macy Deacon's strange death began circulating the internet around 2012. In the story itself, it says the story takes place in 1975. Other versions say 1991. The legend first appeared on Spanish websites first, and when it began to spread on English websites, the year is usually omitted, so I think the photographs look more from 1975 when I first looked at them. When I first saw them in the story, it made me stop and look and think about it, because it's really creepy. I mean, I don't know about you, but it definitely got me interested. However, there are a lot clearer photos out there that look a lot faker. Definitely not the ones I saw. I mean, the ones I saw had been touched up, made to look old. So, recently Spanish websites identified the actual photographer as Alison Scarpula, and you can buy these photographs on her website. And on her website, it says it's from a photo shoot from 2009, so not quite 1991 or 1975. And the photos themselves, they don't look that scary. They look pretty fake. So the photos are definitely not real. But what about the legend itself? On February 20th, 2013, Reddit user Brian Deacon responded to the legend in photographs with these comments. I'm a distant relative of Macy Deacon. Like her father would be my great something uncle. I don't know exactly. This story in our family is known as the fake legend that grew up about how Macy died. I can't remember too much about it, but I've never seen the pictures before, and I don't remember anything about a photograph being a part of the story. I also recall that there were other variations of the story with different holes in them. I think the real and boring version is that Macy went missing at night and was found dead the next day with no visible injuries. So no visible injuries is what made people around town think it was spooky. I think my grandmother, who's now dead, put together some clippings in a scrapbook debunking the legend. I think my uncle has it now, and I should give him a call. In addition to my family story never mentioning a picture, the story to go with the photo has to be crap. The photo is the old silver plate kind from the 19th century, isn't it? Weren't those cameras big-ass contraptions that you couldn't just quickly take one photograph after another? Also, I don't remember anything about an Isabel Deacon. Like I said, the real version was just that they couldn't find Macy one night. Oh, and I think I kind of remember one of the other fake stories. Something about, yeah, I saw Macy one night. She was riding out of town with cousin blah 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 in his wagon. Talked with both of them for a few minutes. But cousin blah 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 has been dead for 3 years. Done, done, done. So the comment debunks most of the story as just an urban legend that has just grown up around the disappearance of his cousin. Which kind of makes sense. Like if you're in a small town, you grow up, someone disappears one night, and you find their dead body with no visible signs, people around town are going to start to talk and come up with their own stories, and news and rumors are going to spread about it. That has to take into account whether this guy really is her relative. Like this guy could have really had a cousin that disappeared and died of mysterious circumstances named Macy Deacon, but the name could be a coincidence. Does it involve the same girl or not? Personally, I don't think the legend is real. It seems like just a story that was made up. The photographs are fake, and it just seems like a perfect, urban legend or creepypasta. So, what do you think? Was Macy Deacon a real person? Is the story real? Or is this random Reddit comment by someone claiming to be her relative true? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, stay strange.